Hey guys, so this is how you're going to install Google Tag on your Framer website. First, we're going to log into our Google Tag Manager and we're going to create a new account if you don't have one yet. It will now give you a container code snippet. Now, if you already have an account and you're just going to access the Tag Manager, you can find this container code snippet from your GTM number at the top of your screen. So click on that. And then from here, this is your codes. So as you can see, this is your head of the page and then this is the body tag. So now we are going to copy the two pieces of code provided, one for the head and one for the body of your website. So we're just going to copy with the head first, and then we're going to head over to Framer. Now we are going to go to settings right here at the top of your screen. You will see this shape right here. Now from the settings page, we are going to go to custom code. So from here, from the general, we're just going to scroll down until we find the custom code section. So usually this is the custom code at the very bottom of the page. Now for the head tag, we are just going to paste here what we have copied. And then let's go back to Google Tag Manager and then we're going to copy the body tag now. So we're just going to paste that in. Now, after that, we are just going to save this custom code and then we are going to publish the website. Now your Google Tag Manager is now active and you can add tags like Google Ads, Analytics, and more directly from your Tag Manager dashboard. And that's it. That is how you're going to install Google Tag on your Framer's website. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this.